Hello guys, it's Neilsha again. I'm back and doing an unboxing of the Lancôme Paris cutie box. Well, I know it's such a rush, but me and my sister went to Macy's just earlier and she basically, I guess, to get this, but it does not really make sense because you have to pay for it anyway. But I got this eyeshadow in Solo. The color is Eclair and it's, I don't know how to say, but not say, but I mean, I don't know how to describe it, but it's really pretty. By the way, this was the last one I don't use. The lady said they were not quick, so I had to take advantage. It's so pretty. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to show you. It looks like this. It's so gorgeous. Simple with all of the gold detailing. Yeah, everything is basically put into here. So yeah, this is how it looks like on the outside. There's a pocket here. And if you open this, you'll put it all together. So I'm so excited. Going here first, and the first zipper. Ooh, it's the lipstick. Do you see me? Oh, sorry. This one. It's really pretty how they package their things. This one is sugared maple. Sugared maple. Yeah, this is one of the brushes. Ooh, they're double-sided. Okay, this should be. I'm not sure. I think this is the mascara. Yeah, mascara. The other lipstick, it is the 348 Corset in matte. And the makeup remover, or eye makeup remover. Supposedly all of these products are meant to be all in full size, so that's great. That's a great deal. And then the other brushes. It came with a pamphlet. It all opens into one, so that's convenient. They're all in one piece. And this is the palette. comes in this bubble wrap case, and it's gold. So pretty. So it says here, color design blush, subtle palette. Color design, contour. Yeah, just all that at the back. And there's that little rose. Just how it looks. Oh my gosh. Love it that I cannot wait to try it. And inside, when you open it, you have the other bag that comes with it. And it's wrapped in this tiny Lancôme plastic. So unique. Here is the other one. And all it says here is Lancôme. I guess that is all for this video then. Thank you for watching, and